Hello, this is Irvinian Rotaisir who is back. I'm going to show you how we can use the free conference call video conferencing tool. First, we have to type in the address bar here, the freeconferencecall.com, and you go to that website. You will be having this page, a page like this one, and you will see at your right some quick actions. If you want to host a meeting, you will click here. If you want to join the meeting, you will click here. And if you want to invite your participants here, if you want to download on your PC the app, and we have some settings here. Suppose that I want to host a meeting. I will click on this one. I will have this box that will pop up, and here, and once I have this page, I have to host online meeting like this, and I can, because I have downloaded the application on my PC. I want to open the free conference call that is on my PC, and I will have the page like this one, the screen like this one, and you can see that it has some features. At your left side, at the bottom, you have a feature, a button for muting your voice. You can mute your voice here in order to set the audio and the video here. We have another one at your center, bottom center. We have you can invite people by email, or you can copy to the clipboard like this. So now, once, for example, you have to suppose you have to share what you have on your computer. You can have, for example, this is a list of what I have in front of me, and among them I have this presentation. I can share this presentation and start sharing, for example, like this, and I have to run this. This is the application, sorry, and I have to close. This one. So now, let me go back to my screen here. I have another feature of drawing. You can use this one. If you want to draw, this is the feature for the pen. You can erase what we have written. This is the arrow and color. We have, for example, to choose any color you want. Here, this is the button for recording your session. And here you can visualize the attendees. And here also you can use the chat. You can have the chat, for example. This is what we have. And suppose that I want to leave my session. I will click here, but I have another one for more. You can invite your participant. Here we have features for drawing. We can start recording. We have some preferences here also. But about your attendees, here we have, you can mute. The microphone here for lecturing, for example. You can hold, you can lock, and this is for the question and the answers. And for the number of participants, this is where you will see the number of your participants. For the time being, let me thank you very much again. I think that you will enjoy this one, and later I will improve my recordings. Thank you very much. Let me leave by clicking here. I leave. Thank you very much.